Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today's topic is bulk sales order convert. Through this process, we can convert multiple sales orders into sale bills at the same time. First, log into MargBooks. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. Now, go to the left side menu, click on Sale and then click on Order. The sales order list will open. Here, you will see a list of all previously created sales orders along with their status. Select the sales orders that you want to convert into sale bills. After selecting multiple orders, click on the Convert to Bill option. The system will convert the products and quantities from the selected sales orders into a sale bill. Please note that only the quantity available in the order will be transferred to the sale bill. If the current stock of a product is less than the ordered quantity, a pending order will be generated for the remaining quantity. The sale bill will be saved successfully and the status of the respective sales orders will be updated in the order list. If you need to add any extra products or make changes after saving the sale bill, you can edit the saved bill and make the required modifications. In this way, you can easily use the bulk sales order convert process in MargBooks to convert multiple sales orders into sale bills at once. Thank you.